Bitcoin has got rejected from 116k and now it's going down with an increase in volume. What's going on in the market? Let's break it down. Hey yo guys, it's Mamit and you're watching my analysis video on Bitcoin and crypto market. I will upload daily videos on Bitcoin and altcoin and I will give you some signals to watch out your trades. So hit that subscribe button to keep updated daily with me. So now what's going on with Bitcoin? Let me give you a short summary. Bitcoin has hit an all-time high around 122k and then it goes down and created a ranging box between 116k to 120k. And then it's broken below it and got close to 112k support and it got recovered a bit from it, but with little increase in the volume. As you can see here, volume didn't increase that much. Okay, so this means that buyers are not interested in that much in buying Bitcoin during the green candles. And if you can see, Bitcoin dropped before even reaching to 116k resistance, and now the volume is increasing during the red candle. So what should you do? If you have your own Bitcoin, you should put your stop loss, as I said yesterday, you should put your stop loss around 105k zone. Because if Bitcoin loses 105k support, it might actually start a bearish trend and goes for lower targets. So if you don't have any Bitcoins, I don't advise you to go short on Bitcoin right now, because as you can see, let me go in the weekly time frame. As you can see, Bitcoin has a strong bullish trend right now. So shorting Bitcoin won't give you that much profit. Or if you're a risky trader, yes, you can go short on Bitcoin after Bitcoin loses 112k support. But I won't open a position with you because this is not in my strategy. I won't trade something when it's not in the trend that's going on. So if Bitcoin loses 112k support, it might actually go for lower support zones like 109k or 107k or even 105k support. But as long as Bitcoin stays above 105k support, it can still go up for high targets like 130k or 150k. Okay, so no worry. But let me give you a trigger for long in Bitcoin. Okay, if Bitcoin recovers from 112k and goes for another attempt to break out from 116k, we should see an increase in volume during green candles. Not like here that Bitcoin hit low volume during the green candles. Okay, if you see a spike in volume and Bitcoin reaches to 116k, we can go long after green candle closes above it. Okay, but let me give you a cheat code. Let's go to Bitcoin Dominance. Bitcoin Dominance. Now Bitcoin Dominance has. Let me off this volume. Now Bitcoin Dominance hasn't any clear structure right now. Okay, but Bitcoin Dominance is going up during red candles hitting on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin Dominance and its price are not matched right now. Bitcoin goes up, but its dominance goes down, and Bitcoin goes down and its dominance goes up. Okay, if Bitcoin goes up and gets close to 116k and its dominance goes down and loses 61% zone, you can actually go long on altcoins instead of Bitcoin. You should go find altcoins that have bullish pairs against Bitcoin. Okay, I'm watching Litecoin and ETH right now. I will analyze them for you in the next minutes. For now, I have set everything on Bitcoin, so let's go on ETH. As I told you yesterday on my analysis video, you could go long on ETH on 3.5k and you could have made a 5% gain. But I've told you that it might be risky. As you can see, it was risky because you should have took profit very soon, so you didn't lose anything. Because the main trigger that we should watch on Ethereum is 3.8 and 4k zones. Okay, these zones are very important because ETH can start a new bullish trend after breaking above these zones. And Litecoin, today's signal. On watching Litecoin, if Bitcoin goes for another attempt to break 116k and its volume increases and Bitcoin dominance hits red candles, then the green candles on Bitcoin price, I would go long on Litecoin after it breaks above 128 zone, okay, with a stop loss around 121, okay. This is my today's signals, and yesterday's signals on tone didn't activate it. I tell you to go long after tone breaks above 3.7, but it didn't, and this signal is deactivated and we should wait for another trigger, okay. So this was it for today on this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you could have get some information about the market, and I will see you tomorrow.